And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, current temperatures this morning, mid to upper 60s to around 70 here in Lafayette, the warm spot, 65. Good morning, Galveston, 63 Kokomo. I want to get right to the radar this morning as it's active from really Lafayette to the west, and it's not a solid rain. We're seeing kind of just on and off showers. A nice little band of storms developing this morning through Peoria, but notice the cloudiness from here on off to the west. We'll see some peaks of sun late this morning, early this afternoon, more sun later today. But the better chances for rain really start now, and it's going to be kind of on and off throughout the day. So there's that good band of storms that's working off a little bit to the east-southeast. That should impact our area within the next maybe 2 to 3 hours. We'll kind of continue to watch and see how it develops. These showers here in northern Indiana in our viewing area kind of working off to the southeast, east-southeast a little bit. So DeMont going up toward Kentland, Morocco, maybe seeing a little bit of light sprinkles, especially Benton County pretty much seeing a little sprinkle or two. Up toward Chalmers, Brookston may have a few sprinkles, but we are still dry here in Lafayette. Down toward Crawfordsville may even have a sprinkle or two, but basically, as I mentioned, it's just going to be on and off this morning here, 7 o'clock. The band of showers and storms may work in again later this morning. That's probably it right there on Futurecast. And a few maybe scattered thunderstorms at lunchtime, even by 3, still dealing with some scattered showers, a few periods of heavy rain, rumbles of thunder. Severe weather should be rather low this morning. Not expecting much in the way of severe weather. Notice the clearing that we'll get later this evening and tonight. This is 11 and may still have a couple of storms, but the main event happens after midnight, and storms will develop in Illinois. This will be a complex of storms. This is 2:30 in the morning, entering our viewing area, and then working through. Some of these storms could be strong to severe. This is 4 o'clock in the morning, so while you're asleep, be sure you have ways to, or before I guess you go to sleep, be sure you get those warnings being pushed to your phone to wake you up if we do have any severe gusts out there. That's really our main threat, but some severe storms may be possible with this round. Then we clear out. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. A few sprinkles for your morning commute. Cloudy, then we'll turn sunny really the rest of the day. It turns hot and muggy for your Friday afternoon. So most of the day we're dry, but then the cold front starts to move in. This is 6 o'clock, we're dry, and then there's the storms forming in Illinois. This is 9:30, a line of showers and storms kind of scattered, maybe strong to severe, not as bad as what we may see tonight, but still could see a few wind gusts with this one that could be severe. 9:30 going through Lafayette, and then that exits the area. Then we dry out a little bit for Saturday morning. So getting to our risk for severe weather and the timing, late tonight, 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. Friday morning, level 1 marginal risk for our eastern counties when things start to kind of quiet down and dissipate a little bit, where those storms start to fire. Level 2 out of 5, slight risk. Again, damaging winds, isolated small hail may be possible, but damaging winds will be our main threat. Localized ponding, flooding may be an issue too. But then Friday night, 8 o'clock to about 1 o'clock in the morning Saturday, may be watching for that other round of storms with that cold front. So just a couple rounds of severe weather may be possible. Just stay weather aware. We could see roughly just kind of half an inch to maybe an inch and a half across the viewing area on average. So not everybody will see that much, but in some areas locally could up to about an inch and a half. So for today, some scattered showers, storms this morning, kind of lingering through the afternoon hours. Temperatures in the low 80s, mid to upper 80s. As we get the sun out, it turns humid tomorrow. Then those storms after 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Saturday, a few scattered showers in the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock, and as well as Sunday, a lesser chance Sunday, but I've added those rain chances into Sunday. It doesn't look overly impressive, but something to keep in mind if you do have any plans this weekend. Temperatures, though, looking pretty good as we get toward next week. We're in the lower 80s. We will dry out. And it looks pretty dry for much of next week as we get the sun out, and we will likely warm up into the mid to upper 80s as we get toward the portions of next week, Stacy.
So definitely grab a raincoat. I know I always like days like that because I like to match my boots with my raincoat. I have different colors I wear, so you don't know what I mean.
I get it.
It's fashion.
I understand.
Rain can be fashion.
I wear my tie,
You look
different
nice.
ties.
That's a nice tie, by the
thank
way.
you. I
Yes.
appreciate
We
that.
kind of match. I'm wearing black, and he's wearing black and blue.
I told her to wear blue because I was like, I'll wear blue tomorrow. But
Yes.
she didn't wear blue.
I switched.
So-
I did black.
But
Black and blue like a bruise.
Exactly. But I did tell my wife to get the umbrella, which is black, by the way.
That's
it's
nice.
Purdue colors. There's a big train
For your
logo on it.
daughter, though, she needs pink with, some lace around
That's
it.
true. I don't have an umbrella for her yet, but she'll
Hey,
be
I'll-
underneath with mom. So
I'll
walking to
set
school.
you up with one. I've got some.
Well, thanks. But yeah, watch out for some on and off showers today. We'll be watching it and maybe some severe storms late tonight.
And that's fashion tips from WLFI. All right. Well,